Hey Brian, today I will show you how to open a Revolut bank account in the UK. First of all, download the Revolut app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once downloaded, open the app and tap Sign up to begin the process. You will be asked to enter your phone number and they will receive a verification code. After verifying your number, fill in your personal details, including your name, date of birth, and home address. Next, you will need to upload a form of ID for verification. This can be a passport or driving license. Simply take a clear photo of your ID and follow the on-screen instructions. Once your ID is verified, you will be able to choose between a standard premium or metal account. Select the one that fits your needs and you are good to go. And that's it. Your Revolut account is now open. Thanks for watching.